Hi friends, welcome to Smiling Pulses. When you enjoy this video, please don't forget to give thumbs up and comment on the video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Let's start the unboxing of the Canon printer Pixma TS5340 as we are removing the plastic cover. I had ordered the printer through their official website. So this is how it looks after we remove the plastic packaging. This is the Pixma TS5340. It is a wireless all-in-one printer where we can print, copy and scan. These are the additional features for the printer: auto power on off, this is how it looks on the top, and it shows we get two cartridges. One is black and another is color. Let's open it up to see how the printer looks and what is inside. The packaging is tight and secure, that's why it's taking much more time. There we have done, and let's see what is inside. First we have the warranty card provided by them. Next we have the CD to install, the user guide, the power cable, these are the cartridges which comes along with the package, the black and the color. Now we are moving to taking the printer out. The printers are approximately 6.3 kilos with a neat sleek design. Now let's get on with removing the orange stickers which was holding it safe. That's where I'm gonna scan. This is where we plug in the power cord to power up the printer. So this is how it looks on the front. The power button, OK button, the green is for start and the red is for cancelling. So this is the overall snapshot what we get with the packaging. We can load the paper through the front cassette. and on the top as well. The supported paper types would be A4, A5, B5 and letters. Now we have powered on and it is for the initial boot up. We can see the Canon logo. We have got into the language selection. We click English and press OK. We receive a QR code. If we scan the QR code, it will take us to the online manual. Now let's install the ink cartridges into the printer. Those are the flaps. B symbolizes for black and C is for color. So we'll have to install the cartridges respectively. It's easy to remove. The cartridge has a orange sticker. We'll have to remove it first and then put it in. The black cartridge goes into the B slot and the color cartridge goes into the C slot. Here we go, we have done. Let's close the flaps and we are good to go. So it says the cover has been really closed. You click OK. The respective printer cartridges have been installed and the printer has recognized it. We click OK. It's asking to start the alignment printing. So we click OK and it starts up. It shows in the display screen as it will take around 5 minutes. We can see the white LED lights flashing. It shows the status of the printing jobs. The alignment papers have been printed. The printer takes care of the two-sided printing. It says the printer setup is complete. We click OK. Connecting the printer can be done in several ways through our PC or laptops or mobile devices. I'm going to show you how it's done through our Android device. You go to the Play Store and search for Canon Print app. We click install. The installation begins. The installation is complete. We click open. Now we'll have to pair up our phone and the printer. It is asking us to search for the available printers. We click yes. the searching process begins. It has found the printer. Let's try to print a sample image. The picture is chosen and we'll click print. The printing has begun. Okay, the print looks good and neat. So this is how we set up our printer and print a sample picture. Good one, isn't it?